Welcome to our in-depth look at GST invoices. Now, I know what you're thinking. GST invoices sounds boring, right? But here's the deal. This boring topic can cause big problems for your business if you're not careful. Today, we're busting some common myths about GST invoices that could get you in trouble with the taxman. We're talking penalties, fines, the whole 9 yards. So, get comfortable, grab your favorite drink, and get ready to learn about GST invoices. Trust me, it's going to be more interesting than you think, or at least better than being audited. The "it'll be fine" approach to invoicing. Throw some numbers on a page, add a fancy-looking header, and call it a day, right? Wrong. The tax department is very picky about what makes a good invoice. A GST invoice isn't just a piece of paper showing a sale. It's a legal document, and like any legal document, there are rules. Specific, can't-be-changed rules. First, that GSTIN number, it's important. It needs to be clearly visible, along with your business name and address. And don't even get me started on listing things out. Each item or service needs to be listed separately with the correct HSN code and tax rate. So forget the "any invoice will do" idea and learn how to make a proper GST invoice. This myth is like saying that "I'm too small to fail" or "I'm too small for GST." It's true that if you're not a registered business, you don't need to charge GST, but here's the catch. Even if not registered, the businesses you work with might be. Let's say you're a freelancer, working away, not thinking about GST. You send an invoice to a client, a bigger company that registered for GST. Now, they have to pay GST on your services, even if you didn't include it. This creates a big mess for the other business, and they won't be happy. So, even if you don't have to charge GST, understanding how it works and making sure your invoices are correct is important. Think of it as good manners, like not talking with your mouth full or replying to emails on time. It just makes things easier for everyone. Chapter 3, Myth 3, DIY invoices, easy peasy. Look, we live in a world of shortcuts and do-it-yourself solutions, so you might be tempted to do that with your GST invoices. Here's the thing. While you create your own invoices, remember those rules we talked about? They still matter. Your DIY invoice still needs all the required information, the correct format, and follow every single GST rule. Otherwise, it's useless when it's time to pay taxes. And really, do you want to spend your time reading GST rules and figuring out tax codes? There are many affordable invoicing tools that do all the hard work for you. So, there you have it, a quick lesson on GST invoices. By understanding these common myths, you can make sure your business follows GST rules and avoids problems. Remember, accurate invoicing isn't just about following rules, it's about building trust with your clients, looking professional, and saving yourself a lot of trouble later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. We promise it won't always be about taxes.